Alright, this is an update right here. I know it's been a while. Truck's doing fine. Here's Lincoln. And it's doing great. What I've done is that I have took the cover off. And then I learned it from this other YouTuber, Panther. And he has his channel, he has like a 2000 Lincoln Town Car. And I watched his channel also, and he took it off because he said it doesn't really serve a purpose, which it does. It's just a decorative item, the cover. So I took that off, and the engine's running. I had the engine running for over. Let me get the, so that way you can see it. And there it is, 24 minutes now. So I'm gonna let it run and then shut it off after a while. But yeah, I haven't driven this car for a while, and this is what happens when you don't drive it. It starts leaking, and it's leaking right now again. It leaked before oil, and then I could get you right under there, but I got this. I got the stand. I got the tripod on it. So, but yeah, the thing is that after a while it starts leaking the oil, and then what I've done is I took a trip. It was an hour trip, and I drove it, and it's fine now. But now it's leaking again because I haven't driven the car for a while. So that's what it is. Let me turn these lights on so you get a better view. There you go. And that's it. Engine is immaculate. Everything here now, the air conditioning system, I had videos on it, how to recharge it and all that. But the thing is now, it's a compressor. That's it. It's done. It's served its purpose, and it's due to wear and tear. I think it's leaking. It's leaking on the clutch. I think it's from the clutch. I see a lot of wetness around that clutch area from the compressor. So that's what it is. So I think the compressor is done on this one. So I don't drive it, but the thing is, the other car, the Mazda and the truck, the AC systems are perfect. I haven't really messed with the AC, and especially with the truck. Originally, I never touched the AC system on the truck from day one since we bought it. So now, the truck's doing great, and I've done a lot of things to this truck. And this is my wife's truck, so that's how come it's hooked up the way it is, so that way she can get the best view and all that. Because I put in rear camera and I put in front cameras on this truck and reverse sensors, so when she backs up it beeps. So it has that also on this truck. Yeah, it's amazing. It's a 2004, so I've done that. And then with this car right here, and this car I drive a lot because I'm going to the other place where I'm my other house, and then I'm doing things to it, and then it's on my TikTok channel. So, and I've done something to this one, so I don't know if you people are, and that's what I've done to it. How's that look to you? Right now it's just a practice. I put tape on it and put the words on it. I went to Walmart and they had a whole thing of letters for like under $3, and I did it instead of getting the historical plate, because that plate matches the plate on my Lincoln SD, so they matching numbers. So I said, let me just keep the same plate. Don't have to worry about going through all historical plates. I don't need the historical plates. I just gotta let them know that this is a historical vehicle, 1997 Mazda Protege. And that's how that looks. Lined it up real good, as good as I can. So let me know if you like it or not. But that's what I've done. I'm gonna turn it over to chrome. It's gonna be chromed. This is just a practice run. Let's see how it looks. And it looks nice. At least when somebody pulls up behind it, they see that, oh wow, you know, it's an old car, 1997 model, and still on the road. Was he born on that year? I know a lot of people were born on that year, 1997. And there you go, it's right here. Oh yeah, it has its rusts, but it still drives. It's still no problem. The original suspension. I've updated the lights. They're all LEDs in the front. The back's still original, so my wife don't mind about that as long as she can see in the front. And there's another good thing I did. I changed the rearview mirror. It's a compass, so she knows what direction she's going to. All right, so that's it. That's the update on these vehicles that I have. And the Lincoln is doing great. Like I said, I haven't driven it for a while. It's just parked most of the time. But if I do need it to go somewhere, this is the baby I take. And it's still running quiet. And when I start it, no vibration, no nothing. So everything's fine on it. The motor mounts are excellent. They're doing its job. So I'm happy with that. And it's smooth. It's not rough idle or nothing like that. It's very smooth. Beautiful. I'm telling you, these are very easy to maintain. It's not too complicated. Everything's right there, what you need to fix on. It's a no-brainer. I went and ordered the clips. I'll do a video on that one because some broke off, and you see this one's still there, and the middle one here is broke off. So I ordered some. So when they come, I'll do a video on that one. Yeah, you get them through Amazon. I finally found them because I was looking and looking and looking. And I said, let me try Amazon, and then Amazon had it. It's amazing. So I even got the one. See, these are original. So these are still there. So that's it. All right. That's how that looks. Nice and quiet. All right, so that's the update. So that way, gives you a heads up. That right there is excellent. Now I'm saying you have to have a lift in order to have this. And it works perfectly. And this also, with no problem. When I need to lift it up and go under, no problem. All right, thank you for watching. You know what to do next.